Let me ask you a question. In the game of football, who would you call an all-rounder? Someone who plays better in all the positions, offense, defense, and in the middle. So in waterproofing, who would you consider as an all-rounder? The answer is Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K, a revolutionary product that waterproofs not one, not two, but all 4 different surfaces easily. While making a new house, you have to be utmost careful with 4 surfaces:
roof slab, bathroom slab, water tank, and the common walls between 2 houses.
Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K gives you long-lasting waterproofing on all these 4 surfaces. Being a 2-component elastomeric waterproof coating, Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K has proven to be a much better product. Let me show it to you. This is a regular cement roof without any waterproofing. And this one is made with Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K.
Your roof is constantly exposed to sun rays and its heat. Regular cement can't withstand this heat and eventually becomes weak. This leads to cracks and tears in your roof. Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K, on the other hand, has good elasticity and can expand up to 50%, which prevents any kind of cracks or tears, which means a long-lasting protection against sun rays and heat. Look at this. The cracks that are formed due to excess heat are letting the water in through the roof, but Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K is stopping every single drop of water thanks to its 1 mm thick coat. Just like this, Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K acts as a heavy-duty shield and protects your bathroom slab, water tank, and even the common walls between 2 houses from all kinds of leakages.
You can easily use Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K on large roofs, water tanks, etc. because it is effective for an area of up to 1500 square feet. I know what you're thinking. That if I apply it in a water tank, is the water safe to drink? Let me prove it to you. This glass is specially made with Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K. Now by having water from this glass, I will prove it to you that it's 100% safe. But it's just not my promise that you have to trust. Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K is CFTRI certified. So are you satisfied now? Great. Now let's see the application process.
Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K is a 2-component product. One is a powder and the other a liquid. While mixing these two, make sure you use a slow mixer at a speed of 300 to 400 RPM. Remember, you need to pour the liquid in a bucket first and then slowly add the powder so there are no lumps. Mix them both for about 4 to 5 minutes. After that, let the mixture rest for 1 to 2 minutes to remove any air bubbles that may have formed. Do not hamper the high quality of the mixture and coating by adding anything like sand, water, or even cement to it. You don't need to separately add anything to Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K. This is why its quality is top-notch and remains so for a long time.
What's even better is the mixture won't dry up till 40 minutes.
This allows you to apply it easily without having to worry about it drying up.
This makes the job of an applicator and the contractor extremely easy.
Now, clean the surface thoroughly. Make sure there are no dust particles, oil, fungus, or loose concrete pieces left on the surface. If needed, use a wire brush to clean it. If there are any cracks on the surface, then fill them with a PMM made from super latex.
What is PMM or polymer modified mortar, you ask?
PMM is made by mixing super latex with cement. You need to add super latex, which should be 10% of the weight of the cement. This PMM can be used to treat all cracks on your surface. Now sprinkle some water on the surface, but only to the extent that the surface can absorb it without leaving any excess water. And then prepare for the coat. With the help of a brush, apply Dr. Fixit Pidifin 2K in 2 coats on the mother slab or RCC lintel. 1 kg of Pidifin 2K can cover up to 7 square feet of area. The first coat should be applied in horizontal direction and then let it rest for 6 to 8 hours. Now apply the second coat in a vertical direction. Once you have applied the second coat, let it dry for 3 days or 72 hours. After it dries up, apply a protective screed or any other covering layer within 7 days. Leaving it open will spoil the coating. For complete waterproofing, you can apply this coating on the angle fillets and on the sides for a height of up to 15 to 20 cm. Follow the same process for bathroom and water tanks as well.
But remember a few things.
In the case of walls where the shower is mounted, apply the coating till the height of the shower. and on every other wall, apply the coat till a height of 3 feet. This shall protect the walls from the constant water splatter. You can apply it on the inner surfaces of the water tank completely.
If you follow our instructions carefully, then the coating can protect your surfaces for years to come and give you following benefits. Dr. Fixit Pidafin 2K, all-rounder of waterproofing.